Microsoft has officially introduced its very first in-house artificial intelligence models, marking a bold new chapter in the company's AI journey. These models are designed to power their Copilot services and compete directly with leading AI systems like OpenAI's GPT-5. Until now, Microsoft has primarily relied on partnerships with external AI developers, most notably OpenAI, to integrate advanced language models into its products. With the launch of these new models, named MAI-Voice-1 and MAI-1-preview, Microsoft is moving toward building and refining AI technology on its own terms. Let's start with MAI-Voice-1. This model focuses on fast, high-quality speech generation. Impressively, it can generate an entire minute of audio in less than a second using just one GPU. This makes it incredibly efficient for real-time applications. Microsoft is already using MAI-Voice-1 in features like Copilot Daily, which delivers AI-narrated news updates, and in podcast-style AI conversations designed to break down complex subjects into easy-to-understand discussions. Next is MAI-1-preview. This model excels at understanding and following complex instructions, answering conversational queries, and generating human-like responses. Currently, it is being tested in limited applications and evaluated publicly through AI benchmarking platforms to gauge its capabilities. According to Microsoft's AI leadership, these models are not just experiments. They're designed to be practical digital assistants tailored to real-world use cases. The goal is to create AI companions that can assist users throughout their day, whether that's by providing helpful information, automating tasks, or enhancing creativity. By developing its own AI models, Microsoft is aiming to reduce dependency on external providers, giving it greater control over the technology and its applications. This strategic move allows the company to better customize AI features across its ecosystem, from Windows and Office to Azure cloud services. Of course, Microsoft will continue to incorporate OpenAI's GPT-5 across many of its platforms, leveraging the best of both worlds, external innovation alongside its growing in-house expertise. In summary, Microsoft's debut of the MAI models is a significant milestone in the company's quest to lead the future of AI. By investing heavily in its own technology, Microsoft is positioning itself to shape how AI evolves and how people interact with intelligent machines daily. As AI continues to transform technology and society, Microsoft's new models represent a commitment to innovation, performance, and user-centric design. We can expect to see these AI advancements integrated into more products and services, empowering users with smarter, faster, and more intuitive digital experiences. That's the latest on Microsoft's AI breakthrough. Stay tuned for more updates as the AI landscape continues to evolve rapidly.